professional method of joining the wires is to use a soldered connector. These are available here. We've also got a 3/16 heat sleeve. So we place the heat sleeve over here, like so. And then we just cut both wires. So we've got some splayed wire, like so. Like so. Just remember to pop your sleeve on. So we should now see the heat sleeve and the jointed sleeve. So we see the ends there. If we just splay this one like so, and this one like so, we can put those together like so and twist those. This over so we've got that in the middle. Okay, stop there. So I've now got the soldered joint on there. I'm using a high quality DeWalt heat gun. So I'm going to place that in there and run that until the wire is shrunk. I use a heat gun because you can use a flame gun or something like that, but the trouble is it's too severe and you often burn through the joint. So once we see that it's run, there we are, and we've got our connection. This is hot, so I just let that cool down a while before we slide this over and heat this, because as we slide this over the joint it will stick. So we'll give that a moment and let that cool down. Cool this down, I've used a little damp on there to cool that down. It's sealed both ends, but we're going to doubly sure by putting the heat shrink all the way over like so, and once again we're using our heat gun here to heat. And there we go. That's well, if you wish to. But actually, one of the beauties of this, you can do it in line.